Hi guys, come make chicken handy with me. It's Maureen, by the way. Yeah, so I'm using this Shan chicken handy spice. This spice, most of the times it has a recipe behind the box. Yeah, so it's up to you to use the recipe step by step or to just let it inspire you. Like me today, I just read the recipe and decided that I wasn't gonna do it step by step, but it did inspire me, so it just gave me an idea of how to cook this chicken. And also, as you can see, what I did is just marinated the chicken with the spice. That's the only spice that I used. With what did I use? With because it's gone past, yeah, but with mayonnaise, yeah. So you can also marinate with plain yogurt or whatever yogurt that you have. It works just fine. Guys, chicken, when I fried it, it was really nice. That was me just tasting it. And in a separate pot, I boiled my potatoes, tomatoes, carrots, and the garlic, and the shan spice again. Boil zip here because I'm going to blend it later. So you will notice that I did not use any other spice apart from the chicken handy spice, and I did add tomato paste in this pot. So when everything cooked, I put them in my blender and just blended everything and it looked really nice. So back in the pan that I was using, I just put the puree in there. Then I added, this was some milk. Then mafuna kukombeza domedi nasali mo blender. That's why I put it in there. I just clean it up and then put it in there. Put it back in the pot. Yeah, that was me adding green pepper kumabedo. I like adding green pepper kumabedo. Yeah, and I had to change pots and to my non-stick pots, of course. Yeah, I abused them. It's okay. And then I added the mixture with the chicken, basi, it was just stirring. And like I mentioned, kwatuti makago and hangapo, and we're having rice, so everybody likes soup in my house. That's why in most of my foods, I have a lot of soup, because people like soup in this house. Yeah, so I just make sure kuti tindi suzo wanina duinalise zmukwani. Yeah, but this is how it turned out, guys. This chicken tasted different. Try out this spice if you must, guys. The spice or spice. Yeah, but it's really nice and it tastes Indian. Yeah, it's an Indian dish, I think. Yeah, anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.